Good morning, students. Today's topic of front office is how to create and update guest profile. What is guest profile? A guest profile is a record of every guest who has stayed at a property. A profile can include details like guest complete address and identification, previous reservations, notes and comments. Guest profile. Guest profile contains below information and is used for entering details of real guests who would be staying in the hotel. Guest name and salutation, address, nationality, communication details that is email address, their phone number, mobile number, etc. Social media details that is Twitter, Facebook, etc. Passport, visa or government identification. Preferences, their likes and dislikes. Preferences from marketing or newsletter. Newsletters allowed or not, like promotional or special offers from hotel, etc. Remarks or special notes, credit card and member card, frequent flyer details, past and future booking details, details of known shows and cancellations, invoices and revenue generated, details of confirmation letters sent or any other correspondence, example, welcome letter, thank you letter, retention letter, etc. The OTAs, that is online travel agencies, know more about your guests than you do. It's harsh comment, but one that rings true for many. By compiling data and learning guest behavior over time, OTAs have a competitive advantage over hotels in this field. This type of powerful data aids in marketing, advertising, and product progression plans. The OTAs have mastered its use, but it's time for hoteliers to join in and party too. By providing a seamless booking process, loyalty systems, and target marketing advertising campaigns, OTAs have got it suited when it comes to engaging with customers. But hoteliers can too, and it doesn't require using all your marketing budget to do it. By using the data you already have from each guest profile, hoteliers can learn about their guests' behavior and engage with them in the right way using the right tools throughout the travel journey. How to create a guest profile? Get their email address. Get their personal email address either at the front desk or before arrival via an online form sent via email. Using this temporary OTA email address, reach out to your guests and offer them incentives to share with your personal email address. Integrate your reservation data into one CRM or marketing platform. By pulling your PMS data into one consolidated platform, you have the ability to use this data intertwined with marketing data collected over time. Collection additional booking data. Upsell to your guests prior to arrival, and alongside this, store the data in one central place to track their behavior. What's their favorite restaurant? Collate guest profile. Not only use does this info improve your performance as a hotelier and a business as a whole, it is important to see and understand what matters to each guest. This data can be stored and referred to when a guest books again. It is your advantage. Keep track of email marketing engagement. Engagement data is an important way to track how a guest perceives your brand. By tracking your email address marketing campaigns, you can see how the guest has interacted with your promotional material.